how to cancel Spotify premium subscription. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically cancel your Spotify premium subscription. So firstly, come on to Spotify on your phone, and then once you have opened up Spotify on your phone, simply go to your home page, then click on settings in the top right, and then after that from over here, just simply click on visit spotify.com/account to manage your account. Now once you click on that, click on continue. That's gonna take you guys over to another page, and in that page it's gonna ask you to basically log in. So I will just simply log in right now over here into Spotify, just so that I can show you guys exactly what I mean. And then once I have logged in successfully, now from over here I can basically see my plan. I can simply click on change plan, and then after that I can just simply change it to a free plan. From over here you guys can choose to of course change up your plan, or you guys can simply click on cancel premium, and that is going to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. So guys, that is how you can cancel your Spotify premium subscription. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.